Over a period of years, had repeated injuries, primarily knee injuries, just twisting falls and things like that. A lot of wear and tear, and then playing softball. Finally put it over the top, and then tore my meniscus and had to have that repaired. And Dr. Ballam over at the center did that. And they did MRIs on both my knees because I was still having a lot of pain in my other knee. And so they decided that I was going to need knee replacement eventually. So 2 years later, after the meniscus repair work, decided that it was time to get them both done. I've known Dr. Ballam because he comes and talks to our patrol usually once a season, and a very knowledgeable person. And so I had a lot of confidence that he would do a good thing. And he gave me the straight skinny on this whole thing. He says, this is what it's going to be like, and, made you feel as comfortable as possible considering, you just had a major surgery. And as far as the center goes, they're 10 out of 10. I wanted to be able to ski pain-free, and I love patrolling and didn't want to stop just because of this. I know that there's going to be some different kinds of pain, but it's not going to be what I used to have. I had the sharp pains before, just when doing any kind of lateral movement. Now I just know it's just going to be a matter of loosening things up, and just through time I know it's going to be better. And I think what they do in that surgery is amazing, and it should be a lot stronger joint now than it ever was before, so I'm very excited about that. My name is Brittingham. I am the current patrol director for the National Ski Patrol at Mount Bachelor.